Log, hey y'all, log in. It's October 21st. It's October 21st, Like, that is crazy. Put it into perspective 2 months, 2 full months till 2026. 2026. Next year. Big things coming. Big things coming. I'm telling you. But those big things only come when you're actually doing the big prep work for it. For those things to come. Because they ain't coming if you ain't doing shit. They ain't coming if you just staying in the same place. Lock in. Use the time that you have now for the remaining of the year to actually do something. That's why I'm be putting out these challenges, these 15-day challenges. They seem like micro little bits, but when you're in the process of doing these things, they help you, they benefit you in the fact of, okay, now you're analyzing and breaking down your mindfulness on a day-by-day basis. Like, okay, I need to take care of that, got that out the way. What else could I do? Right? It opens up your mind to being actually effective and efficient and actually productive on a day-by-day basis, to where whenever you find a little sliver of free time, you say, oh, dang, I didn't do my due diligence. I didn't do my challenge. Let me do that. Like right now we're doing the 150 squats. We're doing the 5 pages read out loud. And then we're doing the 15 gratitudes on every single day for 15 days. It's like, work on your mind, work on your body, work on your spirit. And it's like those little things, like, what do they take? Not a whole day, not a whole hour. Those little things, they will benefit you. They will change your mindset. They'll give you a different perspective shift. And you're talking about, oh, I'm about to lock it. Excuse me. Or you say, I'm about to lock in. I'm about to do great things next year. Next year is next year. I'm talking about now. Like, do the things now. Do what you got to do now. Set things in accordance. Why you got to wait on next year? Why you got to push things off into the future when you can actually start and do something right now? Allow yourself and give yourself the grace of being actually productive with the hours that you have now. Like, God forbid something bad and something crazy happens to you next year. Oh, it was my big break next year. Oh, I was supposed to do something special next year. Oh, next year was my big year. Next year I was about to blow. You ain't doing shit right now. How the hell are you supposed to blow up? How the hell are you supposed to do something great? How the hell are you supposed to lead your community, your family? How are you supposed to lead in any group that you're in? How are you supposed to make that certain amount of money? How are you supposed to make your business profitable? How are you supposed to make yourself gain in the gym? How are you supposed to have a special mindset, a different perspective shift? How are you supposed to get closer if you're pushing that shit off until next year? You gotta have that shit right now. Work on the different practices to get you in that zone. Rome wasn't built in a day, but I bet they didn't push it off until next year. I bet they didn't push it off till the next day. It's like people take that fucking quote and they say, Rome wasn't built in a day. Yeah, but they built it day by day by day by day by day by day by day until that shit was fucking Rome. They didn't fucking look at it like, let's wait until next year. We don't have all the construction supplies. We don't have all the different plannings we need. We don't have this, that, and the third, making up different excuses just so they can push it off until fucking next year. They said, okay, this is our plan for Rome. What can we do now? And then what can we do tomorrow? And then when tomorrow came, they did it. And then the next day came, what can we do today? Next day came, what can we do? It's like, build shit day by day. Little shit, percentages. Small percentages equate into a big total. You're talking about doing this big grand thing. Okay, do it. Do it. If you're talking so big and you're talking so worthy, do it. I want to see you do it. I want to see you make that big score. And then what are you going to do after that? Go back to your regular old life that you were doing beforehand. When you do these things day by day, it changes your lifestyle, it changes your perspective. You can't have that successful business. You can't have that fit and active body. You can't have that special mindset. You can't have that close, faithful relationship with God if you're not building yourself in that character on a day-by-day basis to where it tweaks you, it changes you, so you understand it better, so you're able to maintain it better. You get what I'm trying to say? When I say you can't have that successful business, if you do have that successful business all in one big score, how are you going to maintain it for the longevity? If you just got it in one day, if you got that shit in one day, you wouldn't know what to do. You wouldn't know how to manage your team, your employees. You wouldn't know what to do with your taxes. You wouldn't know what to do with your daily strategy, your quarterly strategies, your yearly strategies. Same with fitness. If you got that body in a fucking like a day, you wouldn't know what to do. You wouldn't know, what exercises are for certain muscle groups. You wouldn't know how to diet. You wouldn't know what your body needs. You wouldn't know your genetics. You wouldn't know the energy that you need to put in unless you would go to the gym every single day and learn that stuff. Same with the business. Learned it. Learned how to manage one employee. Learn how to manage 2 employees. Build up your team instead of getting it in one day and not knowing what to do with it. So get that shit in today. Stop waiting until 2026. That's fucking bullshit. That's in months, literally months. And you're sitting here, yeah, I'm gonna go crazy this next year. We're going crazy next year. Fucking bullshit. Every time I hear that shit, it's fucking bullshit. Keep me away from those type of people. I'm trying to be around the people that want that shit now. Doing that shit now. Everybody wants it now, yeah. Everybody seems like, I want the outcome now. But no, not everybody wants the process and the outcome now. I want the process and the outcome now. Stop fucking waiting. Stop pushing shit off. Fucking lock in. Do your shit. Day by day basis. Every single day. Put in a percentage. Stop being a fucking pussy. God damn. I'm about to go shower because I just got home from the fucking gym. It is 11:26. I haven't even eaten dinner yet. I'm recording this because I didn't have time to do a video. I did a live earlier, all in the mix of everything. Still taking care of what I gotta take care of. I did my 150 squats. As I'm cooking dinner, I'm about to read my 5 pages. Before I go to bed, at God knows what time, I'm about to write down my 15 gratitudes. And what are you about to do? Netflix. Ooh, ice cream. Memes. Scrolling. Social media bullshit. Fucking lock in. Fucking tired of this shit. Peace and love to y'all. Get on your shit. 2026. Don't make 2026 like 2025. Come on now. You're watching this video for a reason. If you're about to slack off and not do anything after this video, that's you. That's your fault. And you have to accept that. And that shit disgusts me. Lock in, y'all. I'm about to hop in the shower. Peace and love to y'all. Yvonne. Bow.